Hey guys, in this video I will show you all donut recipes in Grow a Garden. Today we'll have a normal donut second option with 2 corns and watermelon. As you can see here, there is a normal section, 3 options, 1 strawberry, tomato, apple, 2 corn, banana, pumpkin, and 2 corn and watermelon. And with rare, there is these options here, legendary as well, mythical as well, divine, and prismatics. You can stop the video or go to the website that I will leave in the description below and check all the recipes. And now let's go to cook donut. So I just need to open my inventory and I need to look for watermelon and put here, and then I need to put 2 corn. So corn, 1 corn, and second corn here. And then I just need to press cook and wait. In this case, I need to wait 5 minutes. And when the time have passed, you can get donut here. And as you can see here, it should appear in your inventory, right? Donut. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more.